What if I told you that one of the most feared performance cars in the world doesn't rely on a massive V8 or a screaming V12? Instead, it uses a twin-turbo V6. And yet, it can destroy supercars that cost 2, 3, even 4 times more. This machine has earned a legendary nickname among car enthusiasts around the world: Godzilla. And the reason for that reputation lies under the hood of the Nissan GT-R. But this isn't just any engine. Every single GT-R engine is hand-built by a master engineer in Japan. Not by robots, not on a massive production line, but by a human expert known as a Takumi master. In fact, only a small group of these elite engineers are trusted to assemble the engine that powers the GT-R. And when they finish building it, they place their name on a small metal plaque attached to the engine. So every time someone opens the hood of a GT-R, they're not just seeing mechanical parts, they're seeing a signature of craftsmanship. But the real question is this: how does this engine produce supercar-level performance? And why has the GT-R become one of the most respected performance machines ever built? To answer that, we need to dive deep into the heart of the beast. At the center of the Nissan GT-R sits the legendary VR38 DTT engine. This is a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, engineered for extreme performance. When Nissan started designing this engine, their goal was simple: create a powerplant capable of competing with the best supercars in the world. Instead of following the conventional path of using a large V8 or V12, Nissan focused on turbocharging technology. 2 high-performance turbochargers force compressed air into the engine, dramatically increasing power output. This allows a relatively compact engine to produce enormous horsepower while keeping weight lower than many competitors. In the standard Nissan GT-R, the VR38 DTT produces around 565 horsepower. In the extreme Nissan GT-R Nismo, that number jumps to 600 horsepower. This translates to mind-blowing acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and top speeds exceeding 315 kilometers per hour, 196 miles per hour. But raw power alone doesn't make this engine special. Durability and reliability are just as crucial. The VR38 DTT was designed to survive extreme conditions. High-performance engines generate incredible heat and pressure, especially under turbo boost. To handle this, the GT-R uses reinforced pistons, a strong aluminum block, advanced cooling systems, and precisely engineered intake and exhaust pathways. This ensures maximum airflow and optimal engine efficiency even at top speeds. The craftsmanship behind the engine is equally impressive. Each VR38 DTT engine is assembled by a single Takumi master technician. These engineers undergo years of rigorous training to perfect the skills needed to build these high-performance machines. Every bolt, every component, and every internal detail is carefully inspected during assembly. Once complete, the engineer attaches a Takumi plaque with their name on it, a tradition that reflects pride, responsibility, and ultimate quality control. The GT-R isn't just a factory powerhouse, it's also a tuner's dream. Enthusiasts around the globe have pushed the VR38 DTT far beyond stock limits. Upgraded turbos, specialized fuel systems, and performance tuning can easily push some engines over 1,000 horsepower, transforming a GT-R into a street-legal supercar killer. These modified machines routinely compete with and outperform exotic cars costing multiple times as much. This combination of engineering, craftsmanship, and tuning potential earned the GT-R its famous nickname, Godzilla. It wasn't given by Nissan, it came from the global automotive community. Just like the monster, the GT-R is unstoppable. It crushes lap times, embarrasses supercars, and delivers performance that exceeds expectations for its price. Over time, the nickname stuck, and today the GT-R is known worldwide as a symbol of raw, reliable, and fearless performance. Another reason this engine is so revered is its balance of power and technology. While many high-performance cars focus solely on brute force, the GT-R combines precision engineering with high-tech systems like dual intercoolers, advanced fuel injection, and variable valve timing, allowing it to maintain incredible performance without sacrificing drivability. It's a car that performs on the track but is still practical for the road, a rare combination in the world of supercars. The twin-turbo V6 also gives the GT-R an advantage in weight distribution. By keeping the engine lighter than traditional large-displacement engines, Nissan engineers achieved better handling, quicker responsiveness, and more predictable dynamics. Every curve, every turn, and every straightaway becomes an experience where the car feels like an extension of the driver. And yet, what makes this engine truly legendary isn't just its numbers. It's the philosophy behind it: precision, craftsmanship, and passion. In a world filled with mass-produced machines, the GT-R engine stands apart because it carries the signature of the human who built it, the spirit of Japanese engineering, and the DNA of a car designed to conquer. Even as electric performance cars slowly begin to dominate, the roar of the GT-R engine remains unforgettable. It's not just a V6, it's a machine that represents decades of innovation, racing heritage, and meticulous attention to detail. It is, in every sense, the heart of a legend. So when you see a Nissan GT-R on the road or hear its distinctive roar, remember, it's not just a car. It's a testament to what happens when human skill, technology, and passion come together in perfect harmony. The VR38 DTT engine is proof that some machines aren't just built to move fast, they're built to make history.